Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to today's quick lesson on FSA word problems. Remember, all of these are test-worthy questions, so pay attention. Going back, the first one. Leon was in line to buy a saw on sale for 35% off of its original price of $198. Okay, that's going to be important. When he got to the register, though, he remembered he had a coupon for an additional 15% off. How much did the saw cost after the discounts? Now, it's important to realize you're going to have two parts to this problem. Sorry, you're going to have part one, then you're going to have part two. Okay, so the first part, you'll have a sale for 35% off, right? Well, if it's a sale, I'm subtracting. So I take my original cost, which is always going to be 100%. My original is always 100%. 100% minus 35% equals my new total of, mayday. Aha, I found it. Okay, so you have your original cost of 100% minus 35% equals 65%. So what you need to do now is find 65% of 198. Okay, 65% is a decimal, is 0.65. Then you multiply that times 198. None of this is new. You've done this before. You understand what to do. 0.65 times 198. Okay, your answer so far is 128.7. Okay, this is the answer to part 1. You're not done yet. Remember that Leon, when he gets to the register, he remembers he has a coupon for an additional 15% off of the sales price. So, we're going to take, and again, my 100%, this is off, this is subtraction. 100%, my original, minus 15% equals 85%. We take the 85%, we make it a decimal, and we are multiplying that times the new price that we got from part 1. You're multiplying it by $128.70. Okay, let's multiply 0.85 times 128.7 equals, yes, your calculator is going to give you $109.395. Now, whoa, automatically right away, you know the money can have 3 numbers after the decimal point. So you are going to need to round in this problem. It's going to be 109, and we're rounding the 9 up to 10, which carries over. It's going to be $109.40. That's my final answer. Moving on. Here, a store buys bicycles for $60 and then marks up the price by 40%. Okay, this is going to be another two-part question. So this is going to be part 1, and there's going to be a part 2. So initially, the bicycles are at $60, and then the store marks up their price by 40%. Okay, to find that new price, remember a markup, you're including the original cost. You're marking up, so that's going to be 100 plus 40% equals 140%. Now, what's 140 as a decimal? That's right, 1.40. We're going to multiply that by the cost, which is 60. Okay, so we have 60 times 1.4. Okay, the answer in part 1 is $84. Now, that would be your final answer, but you have your sentence number 2. Now, the store has bicycles on sale for 25% off their new price. So their new price here is $84. Now, once again, it's 25% off. So this is off, sale, subtraction. You're taking 100% minus 25% equals, that's right, equals 75%. Okay, 75% is a decimal, 0.75 times your new price of $84. Let's see what that gives you. 84 times 0.75 equals 63. The new sales price of your bicycles is $63. And next, ladies and gentlemen, this is the final one. Alexandra had lunch at the restaurant. It's not even a restaurant, it's the restaurant. It's that special. Okay. Alexandra had lunch at the restaurant. The bill totaled $25.70, including tax. Now, she had a coupon for 10% off the bill, so this is 10% off. We're going to subtract. Alexandra deducted the amount for her coupon and then added a tip of 15% of the original amount of the bill. How much did Alexandra pay? Once again, as you've noticed by now, this is the theme of the, As you've noticed by now, this is the theme of the video. You have part 1 and part 2. These are two-part problems. Okay, let's calculate. The bill was $25.70, right? Okay, so she has a coupon for 10% off the bill. Well, all right, let's calculate that. So 100% minus 10, it's a coupon, you're subtracting, equals 90%. Let's make 90% decimal, 0.9. So 25.70 times 0.9, let's use your calculator, 25.7 times 0.9 equals $23.13. That's how much her meal costs after the coupon. However, please notice for part 2, Alexandra deducted the amount of her coupon and then she adds a tip of 15% of the original amount. So here I want to do something different. I want to take the original cost, which is $25.70, and I want to find out what the tip is. So 15% as a decimal, you all know, is 0.15. So let's go ahead and multiply. We have $25.70 times 0.15. That gives me 3.855. Now they're asking you how much Alexandra paid in total for all her lunch. This was her tip. This on the left was the cost that she paid for the meal. How do we find out what she paid in total? We add them together. $23.13 plus $3.85. Oh, so sorry there. 55. Let's add them together. 5, 8, 9, decimal point 6, 2. I cannot have money that has 3 places after the decimal point, so I need to round. And, my laptop does not like this. 26.9, and the 5 makes the 8 round up to a 9. Your final answer is $26.99.